is a good quickie. Must do again. 3 times a week would be good. Oh shucks. I didn't warm up. Didn't stretch my tendons. Didn't stretch my hamstring. Didn't do anything. I spent my time setting up the bike, the GoPro, the app, fantastic app, and my Garmin on the wrist, which takes care of my heart rate and later my cadence. Okay, let's do the run. Shift right side of the road. I'm ready to turn right at this finale. That's a bawal power for that unshaded. Okay, I'm on second gear. Halfway I do the first gear. 10 minutes. Can still manage. Inshallah. 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 Can still manage. For the sake of gear change, 1 to 1. Speed 19.2. 168 kilocalories. Woo. Oh, that was a dead snake or live snake? Snake is plentiful here. Find them in your house. Okay, GoPro should be capturing the wind noise. Go back on the second gear. Yes. I'm arriving back at my mansion. It's a 200 square feet mansion. I need to reach. Oh, lowering your case. GoPro. You stop here. Okay. I shut off the, which one first? I shut off the Garmin, I shut off the resume and the, what I've done, 8.71 kilometers, okay, respectable. Oh, no, stop here, and let's take a picture of the Xiaomi. That's the lovely Xiaomi. This is the battery case, beautifully hidden in the, what do you call that? And then here's a motor which I didn't use at all. Here was where the Garmin was. Here's the, oh, I haven't removed the plastic cover, the computer. I don't need any drink for this short ride. What else? So this is the Shimano Nexus 3-gear configuration. It looks like a single speed bicycle, but the gears are in the hub. Okay, that's all for today, everyone. Here's me saying sports